This is an Oreck Founders Series upright vacuum. It does have a place to put a bag right here. Put your vacuum cleaner bag right here. It does not come with bags. It runs well. I'll show you in a minute. The beater bar works well. It sucks. There's a switch up here. Yeah, it works well, and yeah, that's exactly what you'll get on the listing. The model number is this right here, U3774HHMSQ. Thanks for watching.